While everyone is talking about the jobs AI will eliminate, they're missing the bigger story, the explosion of new career paths it's creating. The conversation has been dominated by fear headlines of replacement and redundancy. But that's a dangerously incomplete picture. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where the new opportunities are, how old jobs are being reborn, and what you can do right now to position yourself not just to survive, but to thrive in this new economy. This isn't about scare tactics. This is about strategy. The problem, the great reshuffling, let's be clear, the anxiety is real. When major institutions like the World Economic Forum project that AI could displace a staggering 92 million jobs worldwide by 2030, it's impossible not to feel uncertain. We're seeing it happen in real time. Repetitive, process-driven tasks, from data entry to administrative support, are increasingly being automated. Entire industries are being forced to rethink their foundations. This isn't the first time technology has caused a massive shift. The Industrial Revolution replaced weavers with power looms. The Internet disrupted countless brick-and-mortar businesses. But the speed and scale of the AI revolution feel different. It's affecting white-collar, knowledge-based work in ways we've never seen before. The problem feels personal because, for the first time, it's aimed at roles that were long considered safe. But stopping at fear is to miss the point entirely. The real threat isn't AI. It's the lack of knowledge about how to leverage it. The shift, more creation than destruction now. Let's talk about the part of the story that gets far less attention. The same reports that predict job losses also forecast a massive wave of job creation. The World Economic Forum projects that AI and related trends will create around 170 million new jobs this decade, resulting in a net gain of 78 million jobs. This isn't just a one-for-one replacement. It's a full transformation of the job market. The data backs it up. A recent PwC analysis of over 500 million job ads found that industries most exposed to AI are seeing productivity growth nearly 5 times higher than in less exposed sectors. And surprisingly, job availability in these AI-exposed roles has actually grown. The message is clear: companies aren't just using AI to cut costs, they're using it to grow, innovate, and create value. The narrative isn't one of elimination, it's one of evolution. The New Career Landscape, Part 1, Transformed Roles. Let's get specific. Here are some roles that aren't vanishing, they're being completely redefined. Software developer. For years, people feared AI would make coding obsolete. The truth is the opposite. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, software developer jobs are expected to grow 17% between 2023 and 2033, much faster than average. AI isn't replacing developers, it's becoming their most powerful assistant. It takes care of boilerplate code, allowing developers to focus on architecture, creative problem-solving, and innovation. Financial analyst. Routine tasks like pulling data and detecting fraud are increasingly automated. But the modern analyst is rising to higher levels, interpreting insights, crafting strategies, and navigating new areas like AI compliance and data governance. Creative professionals. Generative AI has shaken up the creative world, but instead of replacing artists, it's becoming a tool. A 2025 Autodesk report found that human-centric creative skills are now more valuable than ever. Graphic designers and content creators are evolving into creative directors, guiding vision, refining AI-generated work, and leading with taste and originality. Before we explore the brand new jobs AI is creating, I want to ask you: what industry are you in, and how is AI affecting your work? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you're finding this helpful, subscribe now. We're diving into the future of work all year long. The New Career Landscape, Part 2, New Opportunities Beyond Transforming Existing Roles. AI is creating entirely new ones. AI machine learning engineer builds and trains the models behind everything from self-driving cars to smart assistants. Demand is skyrocketing. AI integration specialist connects legacy systems with modern AI tools to improve workflows. Essential for any business adapting to AI. AI Ethics Officer Governance Specialist ensures AI is used fairly, responsibly, and legally. A growing concern in every industry. Prompt Engineer and AI Content Creator. Prompt engineers craft precise AI inputs. Creators shape the output into usable content for marketing, education, or design. These titles barely existed 5 years ago, and now they're everywhere. AI isn't just redefining careers, it's quietly transforming everyday life. Imagine students receiving personalized tutoring powered by AI, hospitals predicting diseases before symptoms appear, businesses streamlining operations with smart automation, and homes that adjust lighting, temperature, or security based on your habits. This isn't the future, it's already happening. Countries like China, the US, and even emerging economies are racing ahead by weaving AI into education, healthcare, agriculture, and national security. The message is clear. If we don't start learning and applying AI now, we won't just fall behind in our careers, we'll fall behind as a society. The real unlock? Learning how to use AI. Because the more fluent you become, the more empowered you'll be, not just at work, but in how you live, think, and lead every single day. Your career roadmap. 3 things to do now. So how do you future-proof your career? Start with these. 1. Strengthen human-centric skills in a machine-powered world, your human traits. Creativity, empathy, and leadership are your superpowers. These skills are in high demand and hard to automate. 2. Build AI literacy. You don't need to be an AI engineer, but you must understand how AI tools work in your field. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Copilot. Experiment. Be curious. 3. Commit to lifelong learning. The job market is evolving fast. Don't wait for change, adapt with it. Online courses, workshops, and certifications make learning a habit, not a one-time fix. AI isn't just reshaping industries, it's reshaping people. And those who adapt early will lead the change. This isn't the end of jobs. It's the next chapter of work. Whether you're a developer, teacher, marketer, or student, there's room to grow, thrive, and lead in the AI-powered world. AI is a tool, but what do you build with it? That's your legacy. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you insight or inspired a shift in mindset, share it with someone who's preparing for the future too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on careers, AI, and the road ahead. I'll see you in the next one.